Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I am up to program number 77, which is unit price. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into the classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic from there, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 77, unit price. Suppose you find 895 green widgets and buy them for $695. How much did each green widget cost? Rounded off, 78 cents. Unit price is total price divided by quantity. The quantity can be expressed in weight, total numbers, etc. It works the same whether you are talking about pounds of coffee, yards of concrete, gallons of ice cream, boxes of books, or units of widgets. This program asks for the name of the item, quantity purchased, and total price paid. It then displays quantity, name, total, and unit price. Okay, with those preliminaries out of the way, let's get into the classic 99 emulator, which I already have queued up. We'll press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. So 10 call clear. Okay, this one fits on an entire screen, which is nice. 10 call clear. That just clears the screen. 20 input item name. And let's get the punctuation exactly as written here. So I see 2 spaces after the colon. And we're going to call that in string for name. 30. Input quantity. And let's get the number of spaces right. It looks like 1, 2, 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Yep, everything lines up. And we're going to call that Q, just a numeric variable, not a string variable, because it's just a number. 40, input total paid. And let's see here, we're going to have a $sign, it looks like. End quote, and we're going to call that P for total amount paid. Okay, 50. U equals P divided by Q. U equals P divided by Q. U for unit price. 60. Okay. UU equals, this is going to be the rounded version, I believe, integer of 100 times U plus 0.5. 0.5 divided by 100. Okay. 70 UU equals, oh, excuse me, UU string equals str string of UU. So it takes that value, UU, which is the rounded value, converts it to a string. So we can work with it in a text, probably in a print statement. Right here, actually. 80 print unit price. Unit price. Looks like space, $sign, quote, semicolon, UU string. 90 for Z equals 1 to 10. $100 print. 110 next to Z. So lines 90 through 110 just print, it's a for next loop, runs 10 times and gives you 10 blank print statements, just bumps everything up on the screen a little bit. Okay, 120 input. To do more, press enter, and we use this kind of placeholder string variable ky string. To do more, press enter. Ky string. Let's just double check we got everything correct there. It looks good. Trying to do these exactly as written in the book as much as possible. So far I've only noticed one outright error that makes the computer hang up. So I forget which video it's in, but there was only one error. So far this book is pretty good. 130 go 210. Okay, let's clear the screen, even though the program's right before us. Let's list it out. We're looking for syntax errors, typos, math errors, anything of the sort. I don't see anything at a glance. So let's run the program, and let's use the sample run information here. So since we were talking about widgets earlier, item name widget. Makes the economist and me happy. Quantity 895 widgets. Total paid $695. $695. Unit price 78 cents. That looks good. Let's take a screenshot of that. Okay. Let's do another one. We have 2 sample runs inside the book here. Item name crank. Quantity 25 cranks. Okay. Total paid $3.99. Unit price 16 cents. So there we go. And you know, we could do something off of, I don't know. Let me just pick something random off Amazon here. How about Coca-Cola case. Alright, here we go. Case of Coca-Cola. Item name, Coca-Cola. Quantity, 24 pack. Total paid, looks like $9.97. So the unit price would be 42 cents a piece. And that is all this program does. Very handy, nifty little program, very elegantly constructed. Program number 77 from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you happen to be watching this video on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch right now, I see a couple people watching, be sure to check out my, likewise, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please check out my Twitch channel under Cozy Azeroth, a tip of the hat to my favorite video game, World of Warcraft. And if you happen to catch me streaming live, be sure to say hi and participate in the chat insofar as you are inclined to do so. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm for these retro TI-99 4A programming videos, even these short little videos. I appreciate any likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these troubling and challenging financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video, which is going to be, I'm going to peek, I'm not going to look at it yet, but I'm going to peek ahead to see what it is, Daily Receipts Adder. So be sure to check out the next video when I get that far, and be sure to check out all the videos in the series on my YouTube channel, all videos that came before this and all the ones yet to come in the coming days and maybe weeks, probably days, as I flesh out all 101 programs from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.